been a rainy night. The little Kinkajou suddenly stopped. A soft fruity scent was in the air. Where was it coming from? Let us take a look.
During the day, the little Kinkajou rested inside a tree hollow. Soft rain fell outside, while he slept until the sky grew dark. When night arrived, he slowly opened his eyes. He peeked out of the hollow, looked at the wet leaves, and stepped onto a thick branch. His night was just beginning. The little Kinkajou slowly walked along the branch. After a while, he suddenly stopped. There was a faint fruity scent in the damp night air. He lifted his nose and sniffed. The scent was still very light, and he could not say where it came from. So he followed its direction and kept moving forward. The little Kinkajou moved along the wet branch, farther away from his tree hollow. Drops of water fell from the leaves as he carefully made his way toward the outer canopy. Then he stopped and sniffed again. This time, the fruity scent was a little clearer. He was going the right way. The leaves ahead grew thicker. The little Kinkajou moved through the wet foliage and entered a denser part of the canopy. But here, the fruity scent became faint again. He did not hurry. He stopped on a branch and sniffed in both directions. After a moment, the familiar scent returned from another direction. The little Kinkajou followed the scent out of the thick leaves. Several large branches crossed ahead. One of them reached toward another tree. He carefully found his footing, then sniffed the air again. The scent was coming from that way. So he followed the broad branch toward the next canopy. The new canopy was more open. The little Kinkajou kept moving along a thick branch. Now, the fruity scent was much clearer. He looked ahead. Large leaves blocked his view, but the scent came from behind them. Step by step, he moved closer. Deep inside the canopy, the fruity scent grew stronger. The little Kinkajou passed the last layer of wet leaves. Behind them, several ripe fruits were hidden among the branches. Tiny drops of water rested on them. The little Kinkajou stopped and sniffed. At last, he knew where the scent came from. The little Kinkajou moved closer to the fruit. The familiar scent was right in front of him. Soft rain could still be heard, and drops fell from the leaves. He did not need to search anymore. Along the way, he had followed one small clue, then moved a little farther. By checking again and again, he finally found the fruity scent. In the rainy night,
sometimes we cannot see the whole direction ahead. That is all right. Notice one small clue. Then move forward a little. When you get there, look again and check. Step by step, the way may become clearer. Tonight, our story will stay with you here. I am Titi Rabbit. I wish you a quiet and comfortable night. Good night.